Eli's cooking school. What are you making, my baby? Are you cooking up some pasta? Do you need to stir it? You need to stir it, do you? You put the lid on the pasta that you haven't used? What's that? What's in your pot? Okay. Do you put the lid on now so that the water boils? It's a good boy. Now tidy up your kitchen. Are we checking to see if it's ready? Oh, lots of pasta. Delicious. Yummy. Good boy. Put the lid on. Good job.